Welcome, I'm Mark Kerrigan. I'm the author of the best-selling book on Bitcoin, The Bitcoin Tutor. Since 2014, I've helped thousands of people around the world get involved in and profit from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Most importantly, I provide strategies to my students to help them trade safely and secure their crypto wealth. Today, let's talk about crypto trading pairs. So first of all, what is a trading pair? Well, according to Wikipedia, a currency pair, which is the currency equivalent, is a quotation of the relative value of a currency against the unit of another currency. So really, it's two currencies listed together. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. Now, the base currency is the one that you're buying or selling, and the quote currency is the one that you are buying with or selling for. Let's look at three combinations with fiats or national currencies and cryptocurrencies. First, let's look at the traditional fiat for fiat trading pair. So in the Forex markets, currencies are traded all the time. And one example of that is trading the euro for US dollars and back again. Now that is considered a major currency pair. And in fact, there's several major currency pairs that involve the Japanese yen, the Great Britain pound, the Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar. These have higher liquidity, meaning that there's more trading happening, and therefore the prices tend to be more accurate in terms of buying and selling, as opposed to a minor market where there's less trading and less liquidity, and that means the prices might not be as accurate in terms of determining the supply and demand. So that's the traditional Forex currency trading pairs. Next, let's look at crypto with fiat. And a good example of a place to do that would be to go to Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular exchanges to exchange fiat for cryptos and from cryptos back to fiat. An example would be BTC USD. BTC stands for Bitcoin and USD stands for the US dollar. So if you're looking to buy on that pair, you are buying BTC with USD. If you're looking to sell, you're selling BTC for USD. So the third example is the one we're going to spend a little bit more time on today, which are crypto-crypto pairs, meaning that instead of having a fiat currency involved in the pair, that both currencies are cryptos. The example we're going to look at is Cardano. Cardano is an example of an up-and-coming crypto that is not readily tradable directly for fiat. So you will often see ADA, which is the Cardano symbol, ADA, and you will see ADA and then BTC, meaning you can buy and sell ADA or Cardano for Bitcoin. You might also see ADA LTC or ADA ETH. And again, that's allowing you to buy and sell Cardano with either Litecoin or Ethereum. Now, due to the cost of moving Bitcoin around in order to buy another currency, a lot of people are now using Ethereum. You may have noticed that the cost of moving a Bitcoin or even a partial Bitcoin can be as much as $20 or more today. Ethereum is still in the pennies and it's much easier to move, and because of that, a lot of people are using Ethereum for trading. So the process to purchase Cardano with Ethereum is first to get some Ethereum. Now, if you don't already have it, a place like Coinbase is a place that can help you exchange your fiat currency like US dollars for Ethereum. Then you can move the Ethereum to an exchange that allows you to buy Cardano for that Ethereum. You will notice that as you work with exchanges that each works with a different set of cryptos and that the set changes between exchanges. So how do you know which exchanges trade the cryptos you want to buy or sell? A great place to go is coinmarketcap.com. This free site provides a list of the most traded cryptos along with lots of details about each one. In our case, we're looking for information about where to buy and sell our desired crypto. CoinMarketCap provides information for each crypto about the exchanges that trade them and in what trading pairs. So in our case, we're looking to buy Cardano with Ethereum. So we're looking for ADA ETH, and we're looking to determine what exchange will allow us to do that trade. So let's go to CoinMarketCap and take a look. First, let's open the site and search for Cardano. We can search for the name or the symbol in the search box. Then we click on the crypto. View the information available. Several links are provided and charts are displayed. Click on the Markets tab to view where Cardano is traded. The markets at the top of the list have the highest liquidity, in descending order. The latest trading volume at each exchange is also displayed. The volume, if you remember, reflects the liquidity of each market. Higher liquidity usually reflects a more accurate price, as more traders tend to provide a better price discovery mechanism. In minor markets, you may have to pay more to buy or sell for less. Since we are here, notice that most of the pairs for Cardano do not involve fiat. That's the case for most cryptos. Typically, only the major cryptos will trade directly for fiat. Since I want to use Ethereum to buy Cardano, I look at the list for ADA ETH trading pairs. Currently, Binance has the highest liquidity in the global market for ADA ETH trading pairs. And currently, Cardano is trading for around 16 cents per coin. I will now click on the trading pair for Binance. Binance will now show me the latest price of Cardano in terms of Ethereum, the quote currency. The last price I saw was ADA ETH at 0.0003 and some more decimal points. That means that one Cardano costs only a small fraction of an Ethereum. Looking at that in reverse, one Ethereum buys about 2,900 Cardano coins. Note that you probably won't get the full amount when you buy. Usually you will pay a bit more to buy and sell for a little less, just like in fiat markets. That's called a spread, the difference between the actual buy and sell price. But it should be pretty close, within a small percentage of the quoted price. Now, it may be a little confusing at first, but once you get an idea of what the quote currency is worth, say about $500 for an Ethereum, the 2,900 Cardanos may be purchased then for one Ethereum, or about $500. Once you do this a few times, it will make more sense. So, as always, start small, do multiple transactions to gain experience and confidence, and then slowly increase your transaction sizes. Remember, there are no do-overs in cryptos. You are responsible for your trading activities. And there are no banks or governments to appeal to for help. So my students know that it's better to do 3 small transactions than 1 big transaction, especially just when getting started, as it lessens the risk of doing something wrong within any single transaction, and provides actually 3 times the experience as you build your crypto portfolio. Be sure to arm yourself with education first and experience second. Thanks for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe to the channel. If you have a comment, please leave it below. I read every comment and respond to as many as I can. I'm Mark Kerrigan, founder of the Bitcoin Tutor. Remember, keep learning about Bitcoin and other cryptos and profit from the knowledge.